Issue of shares for consideration other than cash. Journal entries. First entry, for the purchase of asset account will be debited to vendor account, or asset account will be debited to vendor account to liabilities account, and if difference is in debit, then goodwill will be debited, and if difference is in credit, capital reserve will be credited. Second entry, for the issue of shares at par, entry would be vendor account debit to share capital account. But if shares are issued at premium, then in the same entry, securities premium reserve account will be credited. So these are the entries for the issue of shares for consideration other than cash.
Illustration number 9. Jindal and Company purchased a machine from High Life Machines Limited for rupees 3,80,000. Here the amount is ready-made given that these assets are purchased in 3,80,000. So it is a purchase consideration. This is PC. As per purchase agreement, rupees 20,000 were paid in cash. Out of 3,80,000, 20,000 is paid in cash and balanced by issue of shares of rupees 100 each. Now here we will issue shares of only 3,60,000 because 20,000 is already paid. What will be the entries if the shares are issued at par and at 20% premium? So as I told you, first of all, we have to make working for the number of shares issued. So you see the first working is given there. Number of shares will be calculated as follow. When shares are issued at par, issue price divided by, purchase consideration divided by issue price. Now here purchase consideration is 3,60,000 because 20,000 is already paid. So 3,60,000 divided by 100, 100 is at par. So number of shares will be 3,600. But when shares are issued at premium, then you see 3,60,000 will be divided by 120 because issue price is 100 plus 20. So you will get 3,000 shares. So in both the case, number of shares are different. Keep in mind. Now, let us pass journal entries. So we are writing in the books of Jindal and Company journal. First entry would be for the purchase of asset. Here we have purchase machine. So your entry would be machine account debit 3,80,000. Immediately we have paid 20,000. So to bank 20,000 and the remaining amount will go to vendor. Here the name of vendor is given High Life Machine Limited. So when the name of vendor is given, you have to write his name. So 3,60,000 will be amount of vendor. So this is our first entry for the purchase of machine. Now second entry will be for the issue of shares. In that first case, when shares are issued at par. So vendor account will be debited. That means High Life Machine Limited account debited to share capital 3,60,000. Remember, whatever amount you have credited in first entry in vendor, same amount will come in this second entry. The High Life Machine Limited was credited with 3,60,000. So here we will debit with 3,60,000. And being 3,600 shares are issued for rupees 100 each. Already we have calculated number of shares. Second entry, when shares are issued at premium, vendor will be debited with 3,60,000 to share capital 3 lakh because 3,000 shares into 100 to securities premium reserve 3,000 into 20 60,000. यहाँ पे 3,000 शेयर्स है, एट पार में 3,600 शेयर्स थे. I think you all have understood this. We will discuss orally these entries. Kumar Limited purchased assets of rupees 6,30,000 from Bhanu Oil Limited. Now tell me who is vendor here? Bhanu Oil Limited. Vendor. And we are writing entries in the books of Kumar. We are the Kumar and Bhanu is our seller, vendor. Kumar Limited issued equity shares of 100 each, fully paid in consideration. What will be the journal entries if the shares are issued at par and 20% premium? So our first entry would be for the purchase of asset. So your first entry would be
Asset account debit 6,30,000 to Bhanu Oil Limited 6,30,000.
Very good, very good. Asset account debit 6,30,000 to Bhanu Oil Limited 6,30,000 being asset purchase. Second entry in that point A. In that point A will be for shares issued at par. That means 100 rupees share face value. So first of all, if we find orally number of shares issued, so purchase consideration divided by issue price, that means 6,30,000 divided by 100. 6,300. 6,300 shares will come.
300.
So entry would be
Account debit to share capital account 6,30,000.
yes. Bhanu Oil Limited account debit 6,30,000 to equity share capital. To equity share capital account 6,30,000 being 6,300 shares issued at rupees 100 each. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now
Yes, sir.
next entry, shares issued at premium of 20%. So 20% of 100 is 20. So issue price will be 120. So first of all, we have to find out number of shares issued. 6,30,000 divided by 120. So it will come
5,250.
6,30,000 divided by 120. So answer will be 5250. These are the number of shares. Okay.
Yes.
So now our entry. Our entry would be Bhanu Oil Limited account debit 6,30,000 to equity share capital 5250 into 100.
So 5,25,000.
5,25,000.
5,25,000.
5,25,000.
Okay, good. Two securities premium reserve account 5250
1,05,000.
into 20. 10,500. Okay, 1,500,000. 5250 into 100. Sorry, not 100 into 20.
1,05,000.
1,05,000.
1,05,000.
Very good, very good. So, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
These
Yes,
entries
sir.
you will write in your notebook. Number 10. Let us discuss number 10. Bansal Heavy Machine Limited purchase machine worth rupees 3,80,000 from Honda Traders. Who is the vendor?
Honda Traders.
In whose book we are going to write?
Traders.
Bansal Heavy Machine.
So you will write in the books of Bansal Heavy Machine Limited. Your first entry would be for the purchase of machine. Now see here it is written payment was made as rupees 50,000 cash and remaining amount by issue of equity share of the face value of 100 each fully paid at an issue price of 110 each. Means shares are issued here at premium.
Premium.
Shares are issued at premium. So see, out of 3,80,000, 50,000 is already paid. So remaining amount is 3,30,000.
Yes, sir.
So 3,30,000 divided by 110. 3,30,000 divided by 110. So you will get number of shares 3,000.
3,000.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now what mistakes students make in exam?
Yes.
They divide 3,80,000 with 110. But actually out of 3,80,000, 50,000 is already paid. So remaining amount is
Yes.
only 3,30,000. So you have to divide 3,30,000 by 110. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now let us discuss
Yes.
entry number first entry. Machine account debit 3,80,000 to cash.
To bank
Very clearly
account.
written to cash. To cash account 50,000 to vendor account. That means to Honda Traders
Honda Trader.
3,30,000 being machine purchase. Second entry would be for the issue of shares at premium. So Honda Traders account debit 3,30,000 to equity share capital 3,000 into 100. 3 lakhs. To securities premium reserve account
3,000 into 10.
3,000 into 10.
30,000.
30,000.
30,000.
So you understood this?
Yes, sir.
So in this
Yes, sir.
way, you have to solve exercise. This is a very simple case in which we are issue shares in consideration other than cash. Means we purchase any asset or business and we issue our company's share. Same entries will come in debenture also.